Now, please, group attention, standing, attention, hands up, get big and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down, group, standing. Now I would like to hand over this microphone to Kaushal Pandey for a short speech here on the stage. 2 minutes, please take your time. Or shall I give mom or son? Okay.
Thank you, sir. The more you sweat in the training, the less you bleed in the battle. Honorable Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all of my loving juniors present over here. It's me, Kaushal Pandey, standing in front of you all to talk about a goal that is often found in mind of students, achieving 4 GPA in SC examination or good grades in their examination. The pursuit of achieving good grades in examination requires 4 important things: discipline, effective study, attention in class, and most importantly, consciousness. First of all, discipline is the ornament of a student. The mistake that I did, I don't want you all to repeat the mistake. I want all of you to start reading from today. Only an hour you can read. Big things are done by the series accumulation of small things. You should start reading from today. One day you can read half an hour, next day you will read 1 hour. You should increase your study time gradually. Similarly, you should make your study effective. There is a huge difference in studying and studying effectively. Bad practice does not make a person perfect. Only good practice makes a person perfect. You should not just pronounce the word on the books, but you should try to get the meaning, what is written in the book, and understand it properly. Similarly, paying attention in the class is most important thing. If you pay attention in your class properly, you will know all of the concepts of the book very clearly. Only you need to revise it once in a day. And for the most difficult subjects that I faced was social studies. So every day I request all of you to do 1 question answer writing every day for social studies. Similarly, the strategy that I used while preparing for SE was being conscious. Consciousness refers to being aware of your actions. You may have learned in social studies that human is an intelligent animal that can differentiate between what is right and what is wrong. But can you differentiate between it? Just think, you go to home and waste your time just seeing phone. You know that is bad, but still you are doing it. Means you are not conscious about your actions. You should be conscious about your actions. Whenever you feel like you are being distracted or you feel like you are wasting your time, just close your eyes and be conscious and think about the consequences of the action that you are performing. The conscious version of you will guide you the best in the world. Your consciousness will drive you to study every day, to work hard, to be motivated. Consciousness is the best guide that I have ever found in this world. Similarly, during exam time also, the grade in SE does not matter about your performance. The 3 hours, what you do in 3 hours also matters. You should write everything consciously. You should think outside the box when you write in the examination. If you still make some minor mistakes like calculation mistakes or leave some questions during examination, it means you are not conscious during your examinations. You should always think before you write a single word in SE sheets. Even a small cut may deduct your marks. Similarly, you should, in subjects like Nepali and Samajik, you should think outside the box. The starting should be really catchy. For an example, in a speech, suppose in Nepali you have to write an essay on my country, my pride, मेरो देश, मेरो गौरव. Then you can start like, जब मैले आफ्नो चम्किलो आँखाले मेरो देशको हिमालको चुचुरा हेर्छु, सुन झै चम्किरहेको अन्नको बाली देख्छु, हिमालको चिसो हावा महसुस गर्छु, मेरो मन हृदयबाट नै गर्वान्वित हुन्छ. See how much catchy code it is. The impression that the examiner will be really impressed by such type of code. So you should think outside the box while you write essays in social studies and Nepali. Similarly, how to be motivated every day. Suppose I tell you to read today, you will read only today, not tomorrow. So how to be motivated? Just think, you are studying for your own self. You are not studying for others. I got 4 GPA and I am respected by others. Just imagine this. You are with your family, entering your symbol number in the laptop, and you see your results come 4 GPA. Imagine the happiness of your family. Imagine the happiness in your face. Always think and be motivated and study every day. Thanks, sir.
Wow, thank you. Marvelous speech, wonderful speech. I am speechless to talk in front of Kaushal Pandey. Wonderful speech from his innermost heart, spontaneous overflow of powerful feeling. I remember the thought. The height by great men reached at the cape, not by a sudden flight, but while their companions slept, toiling upward in the late night. This is the best example. Thank you. Wish you all the best to all of you. Thank you for your speech to Mother, Sundar, Mama, as well as for your son. And JP sir, I would like to hand over this microphone and let's say thank you.